Sarah Simpson, good Monday morning. It is Monday the 28th. Looking over the Prudential Center in Boston. In Mills, we have a current temperature of 23 degrees, dew point at 6, barometer at 30.41 inches on the rise this morning. Taking a look at the current temperatures across the nation. Boston, we are in the mid-20s this morning. The warm spot is Miami there, right around 70. You'll notice this kind of pocket of warm air that is behind the warm front, which will be spreading across our area for the next few hours. And taking a look at temperatures closer to Boston, mid-30s out towards the Cape of the Islands, working our way back towards Boston. Boston, we are in the mid-20s this morning, and lower 20s and teens out towards Western Mass. And the northern mountains of Vermont, they are in the teens and single digits this morning. Taking a look at the current surface analysis, you notice that warm front is going to be pushing its way on through our area within the next few hours, bringing us rain, snow, and ice. And take a look at the surface analysis closer into Boston. You notice the snow starting to make its way into our area, but the air is very dry, so it'll take a little bit of time before this snow reaches the ground. And this is what we can expect for snow. I'm expecting generally a coating to 1 inch for our area, working our way back towards the west. But once you get towards about Springfield, north and east, we could see 2 to 3 inches, although I'm being very generous with this. What I'm concerned about is the risk for any ice, because it doesn't take a lot of ice to cause major problems. And what essentially causes freezing rain is you have essentially a cold pocket of air that gets trapped underneath the warm air, and especially with the temperatures we've been having lately, the ground is very, very cold, so it won't take a lot for any ice to accumulate. So I'm a little bit concerned about that. At most, we'll maybe see a trace, but it doesn't take a lot of ice to cause major problems. Now, this is the storm for Wednesday evening. Now, for Wednesday rather, we'll see rain move in Tuesday evening, last through about midday. That's the first batch of rain. Will come in 2 batches. Then the second one will come Tuesday evening through midday on Thursday. And behind that storm on Wednesday, we see this really cold air start to move in. So unfortunately, that warm air that came on Wednesday could see 60. Not going to last very long, maybe a day at the most. Winter is definitely not over by a long shot. And then this is a storm that we could have for this weekend. The storm system comes from Canada. And now the models are a little different on, the models kind of differ on the snow. Some bring it a little bit more north of us. Right now, I think this is the most likely scenario for this weekend, is a low pressure system moving across our area, but there's really not a lot of moisture for this storm to work with. So I'm not going to release any snowfall totals at this point because we still have a long way to go. But I'm generally thinking about an inch or two. Not really concerned about this, just enough to make the ground white. But it is over a week away, so please stay tuned. And this is the MHS 103 7-day forecast. For Monday, we have a high temperature of 30 with that snow, rain, and ice moving in today. And for Tuesday, we're looking at a high temperature of, that should be 35 with rain towards the evening, lasting into midday on Wednesday. Wednesday, we'll see a high of 56. Could even reach 60, especially along the south coast of Massachusetts, and that rain lasting up until midday, and then the second batch coming in on the evening. Now Thursday, high temperature of 45 with that rain that'll be lasting until about mid-afternoon on Thursday. Then Friday, we cool off behind that storm, high temperature of 29 under a mix of sun and clouds. For Saturday, we're looking at high temperature of 28 with some snow possible, as I mentioned earlier. And Sunday, that storm is also lingers a bit, so we could see some snow on Sunday as well with a high temperature of 25. And thanks for joining us. I'm student meteorologist Sarah Simpson. Remember, you can always find the latest weather information by going to the Facebook page, Sarah Simpson-MHS 103weather.